多謝你。
Governor Watson, Mayor Carter, ladies and gentlemen, and all my Hmong American friends, Happy New Year.
係就不但我切將了Carter 照着當場就將了將我天老之多可能無法路要讓上切着你做你知道。
Do you like my hat? I like it.
你把你咕嚕個毛咕咚啦，咕你個腳踢。
Yeah, I also would like to introduce my team from the Trump victory. Mr. Tyler Newcomb, the Vice Chair of Minnesota.
กูซาเทโดนีให้เดียจอตัวดอกกูดอกหัวตายมีในการทีมยอดไทยเลยยอดตู Deputy Director ยอดดอกของมินนิโซตา
And also the event chair of Minnesota and Katie Bladgood.
ที่จิตาเลเดอร์เคดียอดตู Director ยอดดอกของมินนิโซตา She's a big.
And all of our friends with us, thank you very much.
ที่ตั้งแต่จะปงยูหัวยอดสาวเทียนน่ะดอกเบี้ยเลย
I want to thank the opportunity of being here today to wish all of you a Happy New Year and celebrate the outstanding Hmong Americans of whom we are very proud.
ผู้ชมเชื่อให้ตัวล้วนในลูกเจ้าไปเจ้านู่นน่ะตัวปอบไปมองจะเก็บแบบมันเดินบาดจีเขาหน่อยคอยชมชับแล้วที่จะไม่กัน
Hmong Americans had worked with the United States for many decades, and we have fought together for democracy, human rights, fight the communists in these Asian countries.
當啲อเมริกาว่าเขาดูเกณฑ์ที่ไทย democracy ที่สู้เนี่ยล่ะจะเขาเป็นจำลองต่อช่อง必須ตัว必須ที่ไทยว่าเกณฑ์ต่อช่องเรายังต่อช่องเขาหรอ
President Trump's recognition of the Hmong veteran and with the order that all the Hmong veterans will be buried at the National Cemetery. Congratulations, great success.
ยังวิลินเดอร์นี่จะกูดูจอเราเลยให้นี่ต่อที่ไทยแต่อเมริกาสงครามเวียดนามว่าแต่ทรัมป์จะเซ็นเดอร์ให้เดียอ้อพักก่อยีให้เดียตรงเดนอนี่จะกูดูจอเรื่องตื่นชิมว่าจะมองตาชินึงกับมีการร่วมมือต่อ National Cemetery.
And we all appreciate your loyalty and your dedication, and certainly admire your achievement and contribution to our country.
也必须得用些天头国内叫古地梦一波这样，你到我这边来得强。
The Hmong American are the higher achievers and certainly at the outstanding group.
ที่กูตัวที่ข้อแต่ตัวกูจัวฟ้าข้อแต่จะรู้ให้ที่นี่用些ให้จนในมองเสด็จตามตอนหนึ่งตัวได้ให้หนึ่งมองอย่างนี้ให้หนึ่งมั่วบังสื่อเทยงชับเลยย่อยงส่งเชียร์
This is only 2.1.
ข้อแต่ทรัมป์เท่านี้เชื่อเราจะเป็นเสด็จรู้ได้เช่นนั้นหรือกลัวต่อเขาเลยจงให้ลิตาชินเอาเสด็จมั่วเขาเลยเชื่อจิตตรงนึงเรามองว่าจิตาลินเดอร์เรารู้ได้เช่นนั้นอย่า把门给ลิตาชินเอา
Reacting to the success of Dow Jones hit a record high under President Trump, and we rebuilt the military and defeating terrorist organization to protect America. Your participation in the upcoming election process is vital. We have two outstanding candidates here, and in addition to be a sponsor of this event, we also set a voter registration booth here, and our staff will help those who are ready to register to vote.
也是要我带要到这边我到地那里保障，我到好来让要他那是的讲地，要叫恁手天呐，天你就变成要对要老晒，到像我怕恁讲呐，得冷对天要老多了得钱呐。
You are a role model for all Americans, and we appreciate you. We wish you, all of you, continued success in the coming year. Again, Happy New Year. Thank you.
让些很很的呢，很能梦有一套罗马的让着背，但是的，我就发了的我大天背路个咩呢，还得 tiền nhỏ trong song chia trong này trong mong sẽ đời hỗ trợ.
And thank you all the ladies and gentlemen on the stage with me and the veterans.
Yeah.
And the, I mean, they're army. And
Yep.
the soldiers.
Yeah. Tại vì lưu sau nào cho hỗ trợ đó cho tôi sẽ sản thiên nào khi sẽ chấp lời thảo hỗ trợ cho cô tôi cho ở nan chỉ cho và nên là sự đặc biệt sự nào hỗ trợ. Nhớ cho song chia, cú yêu tụi lo hai mươi chỉ lúc nào thế, cú lúc mấy cú lo chia, cú chỉ yêu nhiều hơn lo, này trong lời trong tụi bao hạt cú lúc mấy giờ đã còn mà lo chia nào, cú thọ vào cho lúc này giờ committee, here united Hmong family,วันนี้มั่วชี้หายมันจีcho cú lần cho nó chuẩn bị vào cái hai lứa mình chỉ cho bên lúc chỉ bên cho lúc chia nào, thọ bây giờ bộ tệ cho lúc United Hmong Family thiên lúc này committee hai tiền lại vào tàu lúc chỉ bên cho nó trong cái này, thọ bây giờ bộ tệ, cú mua mình chỉ nêu xưa thiên này sẽ đến nó thì gì, cú you recognize, you bên tu này của tuần cho lúc nào, itu ya Nathan Radat, the Vice President, You&I Congressional District 4. I like Nathan to step, raise your hand so everyone can see you. Those are the itu Pastor, itu Vice President, You&I Congressional District 4. Của ba bên mong đó xong. Chỉ ta lên đó vấn đề cụ hài cụ cho lửa, cụ cho cộng hợp cụ tu cho nó cho qua lý văn an tu phòng lo cho nên cho gì chế nên không dư cho nó chứ Republican của tôi sở được cũng đã có luôn nó của hai của cho được có gì tôi xin cũng giống cho luôn đó hai luôn America để có cho lương tư họ tăng tàu lọ lương theo bao hai tiền cho luôn nó cho của hai lý trả half a century ago like you my family fled Laos when the communists took over our country. And like the Von Trapp family in The Sound of Music, fleeing communist Austria, my parents and yours alike led our family through the hills and mountains of Laos and finally crossing that raging Mekong River that took so many lives to freedom. There are many families like yours and mine that took the same journey toward freedom, but were not as lucky, and their bones still litter the hills and rivers of Laos, calling out to us to never forget their hopes and dreams of freedom. We left communist Laos because we wanted to be free, and we have first-hand experience with the tyranny and cruelty of communism. Therefore, under the leadership of the Central Intelligence and General Vang Pao, my father and the Lao Hmong soldier fought the North Communist Vietnamese to a standing still for 15 years on behalf of the United States. We paid a heavy price for freedom during this war, losing 30% of our population. The United States also paid a heavy price, losing 50,000 warriors. But I'm here to tell you today that our sacrifices did not go in vain. Due to our loyalty and service for America and freedom during the Vietnam War, we were allowed to immigrate into America. And since our arrival in 1976, we have truly tasted the greatness of freedom. Many of us have worked hard and achieved the American dream, and we have become elected officials, and American judges, and American doctors, and American lawyers, and American business leaders and teachers alike. In this endeavor, I ask for your vote, and I ask for your support in November of 2020. Together, we will maintain the greatness of America and freedom. In closing, I once again want to wish you a Happy New Year in echoing the blessings of our elders that have spoken for centuries and thousands of years. May all your troubles be washed away by the new year. May all your hopes and dreams come true with this new year. Thank you and Nhớ Rong Shong Chia.
I would especially introduce a very good friend of our community and for you, also a veteran, you're a veteran, right? A veteran, and he brought us all here. And Mr. Michael Farrow, and the humanitarian, and his wife is an Asian lady, and he is a wonderful community leader and who introduced us to you. And thank you very much, Michael.
Thank you. Nhớ Rong Shong Chia.